What's up, sis? So we're gonna prime our lids with concealer first, and then we're gonna blend that out with a sponge. Okay, sis, so we're gonna take this yellow from this palette and then stamp it on the inner corner lid and then blend it out, but very softly because I do not set my lids with translucent powder anymore. And then next, taking this orange. Look how fake I am. Oh my god. And then again, just kind of like pressing it and then further blending it out. And then next, taking this red on this flat brush and kind of just pressing that on the outer corner and then blending it out. Take that red again to re-intensify it, and then I think I took the orange right here and then blended it out with the red, and then I'm just taking that yellow again and re-intensifying it because it started looking a little orange, so you know how to fix that. Taking this glitter, I'm gonna like put some on my lid and then look up to find where I'm gonna cut my crease, and then I'm just gonna like map it out first, like where I want the crease, and then I'm gonna like fill it in. Then after that, I'm gonna take more of that red to just blend in with the glitter. Going over everything with a brush, and oh my god. Okay, now we're cleaning up the eyeshadow. Okay, and then spraying my face with my Badescu, patting her in, and then taking primer and, you know, Instagram model. Come on. Oh my gosh, shut up. Okay, and then blending that out with my fingers, and then mixing those two foundations in together because, like, I don't have my right shade. Blending that out with a traditional beauty sponge from Real Techniques. And mixing concealers once again. First Tarte Shape Tape because awesome, and then LA Girl on the outer perimeter sides, and then highlighting with the LA Girl. Blend mama, yes. Oh my god, look, all those hours of sleep not getting covered away with what? Concealer. Baking with Coty Airspun, nothing new. Straight back into the eyes once again. Okay, I'm gonna take this pink and then I'm gonna blend that on the lower lash line and kind of like smoke her out a little bit, but not smoke her out. And then I'm gonna take that same red and I'm gonna put that on the outer and then trying to connect it with the top portion of the eyeshadow because, like, cute. Okay, bronzer / contour. You know, putting this on the cheeks. Gotta dance a little bit. Put it on my forehead. Ooh, cutting her out with translucent powder. Cause, you know, gotta look cut. Ooh, I look demonic right there. Wow. Okay, you know, curling my eyelashes, putting mascara on. Nothing new. Pretty basic. Spraying my face and then bouncing her in with the booty blender. You already know that's my routine. Ooh, now highlighter. Watch this, y'all. Watch. Oh my god. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god. Yes. Yeah. Oh, same, girl. Same. Ooh, the Cupid's bow. Ooh, the inner corner. Girl, you can never forget. Look, look. Look. Ooh, the nose. Oh, pinched nose. Who doesn't love one? Okay, lining my lips with this LA Girl lip liner. Because you already know we got to get them Kylie Jenner lips. And then filling that in with a ColourPop Lippie stick. And that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.